Magaan yung motor. Boat? Mas maganda kung boat.
Long days, long nights, no.
Dito na naman tayo sa FKM. Anong model to? Teka lang, recording ba ako? Record ako ng record. Wala naman pala. Ayan, record. Okay, 125cc LED. Ganda nung ano, LED. Fully digital. Meron tayong projected valve. Ay, hindi. LED. Tapos signal light. Nasa taas no? Tapos 125cc. Tapos meron siyang USB port. Test drive natin para first impression, patikim para dun sa mga nag-aabang. Meron siyang hazard. Okay, start natin. Sheesh. Naka-automatic na on yung ating headlight. Tahimik yung makina. Unang bira. Uy, mas okay ito Mababa yung ano niya mababa. Uy, bumibira agad Iba to, ibang klaseng makina to Okay. Yung preno, goods. Medyo may delay ng konti. Okay, dito lang tayo. Okay. Ingat tayo dito kasi mabuhangin dito. Tapos medyo mabato, kaya tamang ano lang tayo, tamang rides lang. Sa tingin nyo, anong motor to? Brakes. May delay ng konti sa likod. Okay, 30. May delay factor din. Good thing yun, para at least hindi ka mag slide. Medyo maliit lang sa akin yung signal light, side mirror nya, pero maganda yung style pero kita mo naman pala lahat. Maganda yun. Nice. Okay din to. Magaan yung motor. Boat? Mas maganda kung boat. Parehas na brake yung i-press nyo. Mas effective siya para sa akin maganda. First impression, ano siya, responsive, yung throttle responsive, walang dragging. Yung makina gigil, maganda, parang hindi 125cc. Okay, so balance din yung motor. Siguro konting improvement. Gusto ko yung ano niya gusto ko yung makina niya So ayan, balik na tayo. Ano lang naman to, patikim lang naman sa inyo to, para sa release na itong motorcycle na to. Yan, diba? Sheesh. Nice. Balik na natin. Yun. Abot ko 5 to na kagaya ko. Kung beginner bike, pwede to. Mga sa babae, sa lalaki, pwede to, no? May kill switch yung side stand. Halos lahat yata nung na-test ride natin ngayon may kill switch. Yan. Napakagaan ng motor. Aggressive yung looks. Ganda. So para sa long term review para dito, abangan nyo na lang yung series vlog natin dito, tsaka yung full review natin. Tapos yung walk around So wala pa tong price, tsaka yung specs wala pa. Okay, update ko na lang din kayo. So ayos yan.
There's moments in time where you gotta step up, be courageous and grind. When you come face to face with the fears that you have, do you cower or shine? Today is the day, make a change in my life, I think it's about time. I won't let fear hold me back anymore from me getting what's mine. I'll change my brain, my thoughts. A new game, new rules, my laws. Step up, slay down, a new boss. I'll be the one, starting my reign, up at the top.
Lights so bright, I can feel the rays. My lungs feel tight, I could barely breathe. Sleepless nights, waiting for the day. I wanna be strong, wanna be brave. Bloody hands wrapped, covered up in tape. I might not be the best, but I never break. I will not surrender, I am a contender. I gotta be strong, gotta be brave. Lights so bright, I can feel the rays. My lungs feel tight, I can barely breathe. Sleepless nights, waiting for the day. I wanna be strong, wanna be brave. Bloody hands wrapped, covered up in tape. I might not be the best, but I never break. I will not surrender, I am a contender. I gotta be strong, gotta be brave.